You have the tools, the license, and the experience to fix any leak or burst pipe. But right now, your phone isn't ringing. The reality is, your technical plumbing skills don't matter if potential customers can't find you. And online, you are completely invisible. 75. Compare that to the Webo subscription model, requiring only R500. That price gap directly disrupts the industry standard. This is built on a simple philosophy. You drive, we navigate. You focus entirely on performing the physical plumbing work, while our automated AI handles the technical backend to get you found. High capital costs no longer dictate who gets the job. Affordable AI technology levels the playing field, allowing local plumbers to compete directly for the top search spots. Step 1 is claiming your free Google Business profile. Search for your business name on Google Maps and click to verify your ownership. As a mobile tradesman, you travel to the client. When configuring your profile, select the option stating you do not have a physical location for customers to visit. This hides your home address and prevents random foot traffic. Instead of a street address, define your actual service footprint. Google allows you to plot up to 20 specific suburbs where you accept callouts. Next is your business name. To maximize search relevance, Google favors a specific naming syntax: your primary location, followed by a plumbing keyword, and a word reinforcing reliability, like Santon Leak Repair Experts. Whatever name you choose, it must exactly match the name printed on your physical invoices. If Google asks for proof and your paperwork doesn't match, your profile will be suspended. Set your primary category strictly to plumber. Then curate your subcategories carefully. If you install backup water solutions like JoJo tanks, you must select rainwater tank supplier to capture those specific local searches. Sticking to Google's strict naming rules establishes a compliant foundation, keeping you clear of spam filters and positioning you in local search without triggering penalties. Now that your profile is live, you need to outrank competitors who employ large marketing teams. This is where the Webo Ghost microsite becomes your technical advantage. A basic profile uses default info. A best-in-class profile links to external pages via Learn More buttons, proving your business is active and relevant. You don't need to know how to code these pages. You simply answer questions in a basic AI prompt form. The AI translates your plain text answers into advanced Schema markup code, feeding it continuously into Google's algorithms. This native language data feed instantly maximizes the specific signals Google looks for: experience, expertise, authority, and trust. By automating schema markup, the technical barrier to entry vanishes. Google's algorithm recognizes your business as a trusted local authority and boosts your ranking accordingly. With your ranking secured, the final operational step is configuring your profile to capture leads instantly. Go into your dashboard and activate Google Native Chat. This gives browsers the option to message you right from the search page. To route customers to your most reliable communication channel, paste your direct WhatsApp link straight into the appointment link field on your profile. When a homeowner panics over a burst pipe at 2 a.m., they tap a single button on your profile, instantly opening a direct WhatsApp chat. Removing communication friction during a high-stress emergency is what converts a casual internet searcher into an immediate paying client. You have now shifted from an invisible, struggling tradesman to a highly visible and fully professional business entity. As you complete these jobs, accumulating 5-star reviews and customer photos on your profile gives the next searcher visual evidence of your reliability. To keep those customers coming back, the bonus Webo Buyers Account feature lets you seamlessly manage loyalty programs, track digital coupons, and referral rewards right from your dashboard. By bypassing traditional agency overhead and using a tech-driven approach, you've secured a professional presence without high entry costs. Taking ownership of this automated digital toolkit provides the visibility needed to generate consistent local calls and scale your business.